Hey guys, so today I will be teaching you how to create a subdomain in CyberPanel. So if you have already created a website, let's start creating a subdomain. So just go to websites, click create new domain. So select the website you want to create a subdomain. So this is a paid service, so we just can toggle this one off. So let's name our subdomain sub. So that will be wp test. Let's see. So I'll just leave this empty. So I'll be selecting 8.0. So check SSL, DKIM support, and open base directory protection, and click create domain. So let's wait. Creating SSL. So now it's finally installed. Let's check if we have successfully created a subdomain. So let's go to list domains. So here it is. This is how you create a subdomain in CyberPanel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.